Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have very particular a good item. Rock oyster, which was a summer season can eat oyster. It's rock oyster, Iwagaki. So usually rock oyster eat like kind of like appetizer. It's a raw oyster, fresh raw oyster eat. But I wanna eat pasta. Linguinepiccole with rock oyster, my favorite. Iwagaki no linguinepiccole bianco. I'm gonna make it, okay? So it's easy. So I'm using a special tool. This one is like a making wall item, but good holding. So I usually using some oyster opener like a knife, but I like this one. So find some space. So some oyster cannot find. Yeah. Meat. This juice is very important. Lots of mineral from Japanese sea. Yes. Okay. Chili pepper and 1 chopped garlic. Anchovy paste. Anchovy paste too. You can find in the supermarket. Anchovy paste. Olive oil. Turn on the switch. So, small piece of garlic, leave it in color. This timing. White wine a little bit. Linguinepiccole in. Takes about 5-6 minutes. It's okay, don't cook too much because a little bit shrink and taste a little bit different. Like texture is a little bit getting hard. Check pasta al dente. Good. So boiling down with the juice. Together with pasta. Little bit olive oil. Always high flame. Use too much because too salty. Okay, done. Hot plate. Okay, let's start eat. This is the rock oyster. Linguine piccole. いただきます。rockoyster. Good taste. delicious. Rich flavor from rock oyster. So in this summer season, oyster pasta is a very special, a little particular. So if you find some rock oyster, please try it. Make it so easy. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good pasta. Bye.